Imagine finding an AI powerhouse that's not just riding the hype wave, but is fundamentally reshaping an entire multi-trillion-dollar industry, and it's trading for under $200. Sounds too good to be true, right? What if I told you that this company is the undisputed global leader in its field, protecting the world's most critical digital infrastructure with next-generation AI-driven solutions? This isn't some speculative startup, it's a giant that over 90% of the Fortune 100 already relies on. They are at the forefront of the cybersecurity revolution, using artificial intelligence to stop threats before they even happen, making our increasingly connected world a safer place for everyone from massive corporations to you and me. This company has built a fortress around the digital economy, and its AI platform is the secret weapon that keeps it light years ahead of the competition. We're talking about a business with incredible recurring revenue, a massive addressable market, and a strategic vision that is second to none. The best part? The market has recently given us a golden opportunity to get in on this industry titan at a price that seems almost unbelievable given its long-term growth potential. This isn't just about buying a stock, it's about investing in the very fabric of our digital future and the AI that protects it. This is the kind of opportunity that serious investors dream about, and today I'm going to break down exactly why this stock deserves a prime spot in your portfolio. I'll cover their groundbreaking technology, their rock-solid financials, and the precise reasons why Wall Street analysts are so bullish on its future. This is a deep dive you absolutely cannot afford to miss. So if you only watch one video today, make sure you watch this one, all the way till the end. Hit the like button, let's get 1,000 likes on this one, share the video, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. Alright, let's get right into it. The company we're talking about is a titan in the cybersecurity space, a name that commands respect in every boardroom and IT department across the globe. I'm talking about Palo Alto Networks, ticker symbol PANW. Now when you think of AI stocks, your mind probably jumps to chip makers or software giants. But the real, less obvious genius is in how AI is being, and that's where Palo Alto Networks is absolutely crushing it. They are the undisputed leader in cybersecurity, and their entire platform is built on a foundation of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Think about it. The world is becoming more digital every single second. More data, more devices, more connections. And with that, the number of cyber threats is exploding exponentially. Hackers are getting smarter, using AI themselves to launch sophisticated attacks. The old way of cybersecurity, building a wall and waiting for something to hit it, is completely obsolete. You can't just react anymore, you have to predict. That's the game changer. Palo Alto Networks isn't just selling firewalls, they're selling a proactive, intelligent security platform that anticipates and neutralizes threats in real time. Their flagship platform, Cortex, is a testament to this. It's an AI-driven security operations platform that analyzes vast amounts of data from across a company's network. Endpoints, cloud, you name it. It uses machine learning to identify patterns and anomalies that a human analyst would never, ever be able to spot. It's like having a team of thousands of elite cybersecurity experts working 24/7, but it's an algorithm. This is what makes them an AI powerhouse. They are using AI to solve one of the biggest and most expensive problems in the modern world. Now let's talk numbers, because that's where the story gets really compelling. According to a recent article from NASDAQ, which highlighted this very opportunity, Palo Alto Networks has demonstrated incredible financial strength. Palo Alto Networks currently carries a market cap of about $124.4 billion, with earnings per share at $1.71 and a PE ratio sitting at 108.70. For 2024, revenue came in at $9.22 billion, while net income reached $1.13 billion. Their most recent fiscal fourth-quarter earnings report really stood out. Revenue hit $2.54 billion, which marked a 16% year-over-year increase. For the full fiscal 2025 year, Palo Alto posted $9.2 billion in revenue, representing 15% growth overall. These numbers didn't just meet expectations, they beat them, and the market reacted with optimism. Looking ahead, the company issued upbeat guidance for fiscal 2026, signaling that management expects the momentum to continue. Analysts have taken notice of one particularly impressive achievement. Palo Alto has consistently maintained what's known as the Rule of 40 for 4 straight quarters. This metric combines revenue growth with profit margin, and consistently meeting it shows operational efficiency at a very high level. The bullish outlook has also been reflected in Wall Street sentiment. Truist Securities recently raised its price target from $205 to $220, while other analysts echoed that confidence, maintaining strong buy ratings and emphasizing the company's potential. On the strategic side, Palo Alto is leaning heavily into artificial intelligence. They're investing in AI-driven cybersecurity solutions that are designed not just to keep pace with threats, but to stay ahead of them. This focus on innovation could be a major driver for future growth, helping the company attract new customers and deepen its position as a leader in the sector. All of this has translated into solid stock performance. Shares have gained strength, especially after the positive earnings report, and they've shown resilience even with the broader market facing volatility. That resilience reflects a deep level of investor confidence in the company's strategy and execution. Altogether, Palo Alto Networks looks well-positioned for the road ahead. Strong financials, upbeat guidance, analyst upgrades, and forward-thinking investments in AI all paint a picture of a company not only thriving in the present, but also building for the future. For investors, this combination of growth, innovation, and market confidence makes Palo Alto a name worth watching closely as the cybersecurity space continues to expand. We're looking at a company that has consistently grown its revenue at an impressive clip. For fiscal 2023, they reported revenue of $6.9 billion, a 25% increase year over year. That's fantastic growth for a company of this size. It shows that their strategy of platformization, getting customers to adopt their entire suite of products instead of just one, is working beautifully. But what's even more impressive is their move towards profitability. For years, the knock against high-growth tech companies was that they burned cash. Palo Alto Networks has flipped that script. They achieved GAAP profitability for the first time in fiscal 2023, and they're not looking back. Their free cash flow is a thing of beauty. We're talking billions of dollars in free cash flow, giving them the flexibility to reinvest in R&D, make strategic acquisitions, and return value to shareholders without taking on unnecessary debt. This financial discipline is what separates the winners from the losers in the long run. The market opportunity here is just staggering. The cybersecurity market is projected to be worth over $500 billion in the coming years. It's not a discretionary spend for businesses anymore, it's an absolute necessity, like paying for electricity. And Palo Alto Networks, as the market leader, is perfectly positioned to capture a huge slice of that pie. Their transition to a subscription-based model means they have highly predictable, recurring revenue streams. This is the holy grail for investors. It creates a stable foundation for long-term growth and reduces the volatility you see in companies that rely on one-time sales. This video is brought to you by Value Stocks Investing Master Course. If you're looking to grow your wealth by investing in solid, undervalued stocks but not sure where to start, I created the Value Stocks Investing Master Course to teach you how to identify great companies, make smart investment decisions, and build a portfolio that lasts. Click the link in the description and pinned comments to get the course today and take control of your financial future. So, why is the stock under $200 right now? It comes down to a guidance adjustment. A while back, the company slightly lowered its full-year billings forecast, causing a bit of a panic in the market. The stock took a significant hit, but this is where savvy investors need to look past the short-term noise. The CEO, 𝗗𝗓𝗗𝗏, explained this was a strategic shift. They're focusing on platformization and offering incentives to get customers to adopt their entire security platform at once, which can affect short-term billings, but locks in much larger long-term contracts. It's a classic case of sacrificing a little bit now for a massive gain later. This temporary dip is our entry point. The market overreacted to the headline without digging into the why. The fundamentals of the business haven't changed. In fact, they've arguably gotten stronger. They are consolidating the fragmented cybersecurity market under their own banner. Instead of a company having to deal with dozens of different security vendors, a logistical nightmare, they can get everything they need from Palo Alto Networks. This one-stop-shop approach is incredibly sticky and creates a powerful competitive moat. Once a company is integrated into the PANW ecosystem, the switching costs are enormous. Think about the sheer scale of their operation. They protect over 80,000 enterprise customers in more than 150 countries. Their technology processes trillions of security events every single week. The amount of data they collect is a massive competitive advantage in itself. The more data their AI models have to learn from, the smarter and more effective they become. It's a virtuous cycle that none of their smaller competitors can hope to replicate. This data moat is just as important as their technological one. They are not just a leader, they are pulling away from the pack at an accelerating rate. So when you buy PANW stock, you're not just buying a piece of a cybersecurity company. You are investing in a premier AI company that has found the perfect, mission-critical application for its technology. You are investing in a company with a visionary leadership team, a fortress-like balance sheet, incredible recurring revenue, and a market opportunity that is both massive and non-negotiable for its customers. The recent pullback is a gift. It's a chance to buy a best-in-class industry leader at a discount, all because the market got spooked by a short-term headline. That, my friends, is the definition of a buying opportunity. So there you have it. Palo Alto Networks is more than just a cybersecurity firm. It's an AI-driven fortress protecting our digital world, with incredible financials and a visionary strategy. The recent dip is a classic market overreaction, creating what I see as a phenomenal buying opportunity for long-term investors who understand the bigger picture. This isn't just about short-term gains, it's about owning a piece of the critical infrastructure that will power the global economy for decades to come. The combination of AI leadership, market dominance, and financial strength makes PANW a standout choice for any serious portfolio. If you're enjoying these stock tips and you're ready to level up your investing skills, I've got something game-changing for you. I've just relaunched my Value Stocks Investing Master Course, designed to teach you the exact principles used by investing legends like Warren Buffett and Benjamin Graham. But this isn't just theory. You'll learn how to spot undervalued companies using real-world metrics, build a high-quality portfolio, and protect your investments no matter what the market throws at you. Whether you're just starting out or want to sharpen your strategy, this course gives you the tools and confidence to grow real, long-term wealth. It's packed with step-by-step lessons, powerful insights, and practical strategies you won't find anywhere else. So if you're serious about investing smarter and building a future you're proud of, click the link in the description and pinned comment to join today. Trust me, your future self will thank you. And if you want exclusive stock tips, in-depth analysis, real-time trade alerts, and free investing guides, join the Stocks Galore Patreon today and take your investing game to the next level. Our members there get full in-depth analysis on most of these stocks I mention here. Head over to patreon.com/stocksgalore and become part of our growing community of smart investors. Link is in the description. Now for today's question, besides cybersecurity, what other non-obvious industries do you think will be most transformed by AI in the next 5 years? Drop your answers in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.